Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are going to learn on how to use dispenser on LG InstaView fridge. Is this one? As you can see, is a knock fridge. You knock twice so that you can open the door. Here is ice system. It has a switch button to enable you to make ice or crushed ice. This is where the switch button is. Now you have to make sure it is on. Like now we have put on, because we are going to show you on how to get or how to use dispenser on InstaView LG fridge. This is ice system or compartment where dispenser is. As you can see, learn on how to use dispenser on a side-by-side fridge. As you know, we have a water tank here. You pour your water, purified water. As you see now, we have a purified, clean water. Now you come here. We have a door switch, is a button. So when the time you are placing this tank, you make sure it press it. After pressing it, you close the door. You come where dispenser is. You take your glass. We have a glass here. Here we have some options. We have cubed, water, and crushed ice. So if today we're going to, like now, we want to know how to remove crushed ice. You come here, you press crushed. It's coming automatic. You come here where there's written water. You press water. You come here, you press it. You see, it's coming automatic. You come here, which is it is written cubed. You press it. You see, it will come automatic. Subscribe, like. I hope you have learned on how to use dispenser on InstaView.